You know there ain't another girl like her in the city. No, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty.
Feel this way, but I'm the ride she's driving insane. And don't you know you oughta pump the brakes? I can't tell you why don't you let it go. I'm the line and finally I'ma let you know you're somewhere in between my lanes. Hey, you know there ain't another girl like her in the city. She looks so good, but she ain't so pretty. I can't believe I rode so long with this whole time you riding me wrong. Don't you know you oughta take a risk, try your best, give it to me straight, and don't deny your reply. I don't wanna wait. We're at the end of the road, it's time to let go of everything. There ain't another girl like her in the city. No, no, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty. So leave me alone before I end it up here. Wonderful, another reason to be held. For a while. This is where I live. You don't have to speak. There's no room for goodbyes or desperate lies between the teeth. That's just how it goes. Everybody knows there's no room for your games. And all remains, there ain't another girl like her in the city. Yeah, I know, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty. So leave me alone before I end it up here. Wonderful, with another reason to be held. One land for a while. There ain't another girl, ain't another girl, ain't another girl. There ain't another girl, ain't another girl, ain't another girl. Take your time, I'm standing straight. I'll just wait for my final cue. A battleship on call. How many more days do I have to wait for it to rain on my parade? It's hard to stay where I am now. Let them lions roar until the elephants align, till all the tamers resign. Let them bodies float among the candid sound of rebellion, beaten drums. I'll just keep waiting till it comes. the candy sound of a million beating drums. I'll just keep waiting till it comes.